In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a backup of your Webflow project and restore it should the need ever arise, which is an invaluable skill when creating and managing websites. The first step involves logging in to the Webflow website where you host your project. Make sure you have the proper credentials to gain access to your unique and customly crafted project. After successfully logging in, find the path to your Webflow project dashboard. This dashboard serves as the command center to your projects. From here, look for the Settings button, which is usually located at the top. Make sure to hit the button to transition into the Settings area. Within this Settings domain, your eyes should search for the Backups tab. Navigate your cursor to this particular tab and click on it. This action is significant as it takes you into the realm where all previous versions of your projects are stored. Here's the fun part: creating a new backup. To do this, gently glide your cursor to the New Backup button and click it. This action prompts Webflow to record a snapshot of your project as it is currently. There's a nice added benefit Webflow offers at this stage. It allows you to add a description to your backup. This is a highly recommended move because it aids you in remembering why you saved that particular version, especially useful when you have multiple backups. Next, you have to instruct Webflow to actualize the snapshot of your project by clicking the Save button. This button is your confirmation command. Let's now address how to restore a backup. This involves going back to the Backups tab, where you'll find versions of your project saved at different time points. Here, hover your cursor over the backup version you wish to revert to. To give you confidence in your restoration process, Webflow provides a Preview button after you hover over the backup file. My recommendation: definitely click this, as it allows you to verify that it's the correct version before you perform the restoration. Once you're sure it's the correct version, click on the 3 dots next to the backup. This will bring up a menu with several options. Look for the Restore option and click it. Doing so sets in motion the process where Webflow replaces your current site with the chosen backup version. And just like that, you've successfully backed up and restored your Webflow project. The peace of mind this gives to any website creator cannot be overstated.